Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you unboxing video of the fast fold high chair. You know how important a high chair is for the kids. It's very helpful guys. In order to feed them, we take a lot of effort if they are moving around and you have to move along with them. It's really difficult. So we have opted for the fast fold high chair from the Toys R Us. Let's see how it looks, and if it is good then only I'll be recommending you to buy this chair. I hope all the new moms and new dads, basically newborn parents, can watch this video and you can have a review of this brand. It's not too costly, it's very often unboxing. Go ahead. So now you can see we have started unboxing the main high chair. Let's start guys. It very well guys. It's really appreciated. We have started unboxing it. Now you can find the food tray, which is very important guys. This is the main feature for the any high chair. So you can see a separate section to keep the water bottle or a cup of water. So this looks amazing. Let's go on. The leg support guys, and you can see the connectors over here, which is for the stand. So they have given the screws too. So we will start with it, and you can see it requires actually Phillips screwdriver as we read in the manual. So let's get started. Hold the back seat as well as the feet of the high chair, and you should actually extend it. Let's see how you can extend it. Wow, exciting guys. You can see we have already extended the feet and the back seat. Now we should be starting with the next steps. Let's start with the next step. Made the high chair to actually be in the position. So this is already locked guys. If you want to unlock it and if you want to fold it back and keep it, so I would show you where you can do that. So you can just see how you can actually unfold it. So see now. Wow, it's fun. You can see guys, this is the feet rest. So how I can fix is they have given a button over here. So this button should be inserted there. So let's get started. You can see the holes down. You have a hole down. So just you are having this one which should be inserted towards this end. Okay, let's get started. So first I need to press that button, and I fixed it over here. Now I'm actually doing for the other one. So I'll show you guys. See this? I'm just pressing it over and then this is done. So the locking mechanism, the footrest is ready and the chair is ready. So let's get started with fixing the foot of it. This is the foot table guys. So it has two buttons over here which can be moved in order to get it fixed. So you can see this, yeah. So now we will start doing this. We should just slide it over and it's done guys. So it is very comfortable, so you can just put it. This is done. We have arranged the chair as well as the foot table, footrest. Now the pending part is for the feet, in order to make it more comfortable and it should not slide. Since it's a wooden floor, it's okay, but still make sure you put a carpet under that and put the feet so that it will not move and your baby will be safe without sliding. It's below $40, so it's very useful. It's very recommended to have this kit at home because here you cannot have plumbers or anybody coming home as a mechanics, how we do it back home. So here we have to do everything on our own, fitting and as well as other stuff. So it's very good that you have a screwdriver set at home. So it's very useful. I recommend this product. One of the very useful product which my husband loves it. So this is a screwdriver set. It's very good guys. Like it will have all the shapes, the smaller ones as well as the screws which is used for the fitting. So this is very helpful guys. I would recommend this we bought it from Canadian Tire. So I don't exactly know the price. Let me just check the price and get back to you. You can see the whole view of the baby high chair. So it's from the brand Baby Trend. and it is from Toys R Us, guys. I have been searching for this high chair in our affordable price for a long time from Amazon as well as Walmart, Canadian Tire, everywhere, but I would feel Toys R Us is the best for all these baby related equipments. So this is called as a high chair, and it's very important, guys, never leave your kid unattended. So you should be with the kid always when you're feeding, but it helps the kid to develop its eating habits, and you can set up a routine in order to make your kid get into that routine. I have opted for the non-movable high chair. So you have an option to take up even the movable high chair, but for me, my purpose is only for feeding, and I have to set up a routine for my toddler so that she can eat herself. And put a carpet down. If the baby is spilling some of the food particles also, it's fine. So you can almost clean it after once they're done, but especially like make your kid to eat on their own and practice the finger feed. That's very, very important. Like, I'll be starting my routine from tomorrow. I'll share the reviews on top of it, and I will see how it goes. I would recommend, guys, seeing this baby chair, I feel it's very comfortable. So if you feel this video is helpful to you guys, please click a like button. Share if you want to share with your family and friends if they are having a toddler and thinking about how to set up a routine to the kid for the food and other activities. So it's very helpful, guys. And hit on the subscribe button so that I'll be making more videos on the kid related activities as well as the kid related items. So I'll be motivated. Please keep motivating.